Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today, my friend and I want to present domestic and commercial air conditioning system. My name is Muhammad Aziz Najmuddin bin Mat Sufyan, nomor metrik 01DPU24F2002.
My name is Aiman Shazwan bin Syarul Razli, number metric 01DPU24F2001.
Domestic air conditioning is system are designed to provide comfort, cooling and sometimes heating for individual rooms or small open area. Common types include window unit and split unit, made up components such as compressor, condenser, evaporator and expansion valve. These systems are suitable for homes or small office because of their low cost, simple maintenance and individual temperature control. However, they are not efficient for large or multi-room structure as cooling capacity is limited. I can pass my presentation with my friends.
Okay, the commercial air conditioning. A commercial system are used for large central air conditioning applications such as small office or hospitals. They use chilled water system where chilled water is circulated through pipe instead of refrigerant, reducing leaks and cost. The water acts as a secondary refrigerant, transferring heat to the main chiller located in a central plant. These systems are efficient for large areas but are costly and complex to install and maintain. Okay, this is a comparison summary. That's all. Thank you.